How to log in into ClickBank online account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with today's tutorial. So first and foremost, open up a browser on your device and search for ClickBank. Right here you have to select the first option, that is Welcome to ClickBank, or just tap in Login in clickbank.com. To log into your account, you have to enter a credential, that is an email address. And your password. Then select Login. If you have forgotten your password, just tap on Forgot Password. Now right here you have to enter email address and it will send you a recovery email. If you have trouble logging in, just select Trouble Logging In. If you do not have an account, tap on Create an account here. Tap on this chat icon to chat with the bot if you are facing any difficulty regarding login issue onto your ClickBank account. The bot will suggest you some of the instructions that you have to follow, and you'll be able to recover your account if you have forgotten any of the credentials. And that is pretty much it for how to log in into ClickBank account online. Thank you so much for tuning in.